We're going on a hike with our friends at 49th and Market. This is their new paper collection. This is a 12 by 12 set, and there are other pieces too. Now, Vintage Artistry Hike More is the exact title of the collection. You really can see a thumbnail of all of the papers, but let me show you. Now, you're going to get 6 double-sided papers, and you're also going to get 47 laser cuts. Now, what I love, there's many things I love about 49 and Market. One of them is that they don't waste anything. So on the back of the cover sheet, they also give you an extra bonus. And along the bottom, where sometimes there's a UPC code, they give you a border, so nothing goes to waste. So here we go, very pretty. We're going to see leaves. We see some dragonfly. And there's on the back side, we've got linen and some leaves on top of it. Very pretty, all of that. And there's the back side, lots of greenery. Wander, wonder, and repeat. Very nice. How pretty is that? I love the ghosted part. Now, if you are a scrapbooker, obviously you're going to put your photos here. But if you're a card maker, think of this in terms of quarters, and you can get 4 unique cards out of 4 sections of each of these 12 by 12 papers. Plus, don't forget, you're going to get a border along with it. There we go. We've got some maps, and very ghosted back, very pretty. It looks like it's been stitched, but you don't have to get a machine out to do that. And here we have the back of it with those stripes. And this piece, you could really cut this apart and use these as tags, so that's a nice bonus. There's the back side, very pretty. Now we are into those 47 laser pieces, and let me slide the bottom one out so you can get a good look at the top sheet. So all of these are laser cut, which means you're going to get a very detailed cut, which is just beautiful. You can cut these apart, you can leave them as they are, whatever you like. Here is the second sheet of laser cuts, and just right there, really pretty. Look at that lace. Now, you could leave that as one piece, or you could trim it. You've got some borders as well as the foliage. We've got a cricket, a bird, we've got some butterflies, lots of things. Let's get lost and love this place. Well, those work together well, don't you think? Okay, this is the 12 by 12 Hike More. Now, they've also done a 6 by 8 Hike More, and they do the 6 by 8 primarily for card making, but also for their albums. So if you're interested in that, you get 4 each of 8 double-sided papers, and then you get some laser cuts. In fact, you're going to get 84 laser cuts. Now, that's the same imagery as we saw before, but of course it's shrunk down. So as you can see, and there's that stitched one again, and the back side. There's the map. Oh, pretty. Isn't that nice? And here we have more. That side. More of the scuffing. Not all who wander are lost. You've heard that before. And then we've got some cutouts, so that's different. Now, our laser cuts, this is what they're going to look like. So let me separate them to show you. And again, you get multiple sheets of each. So as you can see, you get that lovely fern, actually a couple of lovely ferns, just lots of things, mushrooms and so forth, things that you're going to find as you are hiking more or just going for a stroll. Either way, it's going to work nicely. Now, let me set this aside and show you what other goodies they have that coordinate. This is the Wishing Bubbles and Trinkets, and this has developed over time. Now they're all epoxy, which they've always been. They're self-adhesive, but you're going to get words, you're going to get imagery, you're going to get the half bubbles, you're going to get the ones with words. It's a wonderful collection of 63 epoxy pieces. In addition, there is the set of Ephemera Bits. Now, this has 66. Now, right there, you can see all of the pieces, but I thought I would open this up and spread them out just for a moment, just so you can see some of the sizes. They just do a really nice job. They are all die cut, and you're going to get just such a variety of things, these little kind of where they're showing you where to go, and you're going to get more words, you're going to get frames, You also get coupons. That's fun. Oh, how pretty tags. Look at that. And you're getting that big wheel, as well as Take a Hike. We've got some maps. So you get a variety of sizes, as you can see. How pretty is that? Adventure Awaits, Unplugged. And there we go. So just a lot of wonderful, wonderful things. So we'll keep that in mind. And then we also have their chipboard stickers. Now this is printed on a cardstock. They are self-adhesive, and you can see there are 28 images on this, and they are a nice size. And then the last piece of this collection is this. This is the washi tape. Now it's not just that little strip of tape, but it's got 2 big sheets in it. This one, although you can't see it, these pieces are cut. So you're going to get a lot of these. You can get each of them individually. The back sheet is 1 image, but you can cut that apart. You can do what you want with it. Just works beautifully. And the washi tape is kind of translucent as you put it on your projects. You can see that background is going to kind of melt away. So in this collection of Hike More, we have the washi tape, the chipboard stickers, we've got the wonderful baubles and trinkets, you've got the artwork in 6x8, you also have it in 12x12, as well as those ephemera bits. All of them are here, and we're all ready to take a hike.